Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be my monthly IPSY bag. I know I missed last month and I am so sorry, I apologize. There's a lot of things were going on and so much happened so I couldn't get that video up, but I am here this month for the May IPSY bag. So if you guys are interested to seeing what I got in my IPSY bag, please keep on watching. So today we are going to do the May IPSY bag, and let me just let's get the little card in it. And this month is the theme Go There. That's really cute. I always think these little cards are cute, but I just wish they had actual information about like the products and stuff like that. I feel like it's like more helpful, and I wish they also listed like how BoxyCharm does like for the full sizes of each product. Like that would be really interesting, cool to know, but it's really cute. It's okay. This is the bag for this month and I think it is so cute. You can see it just has all these like little stamps around, and then on the back it is just this really pretty orange color. So I actually really love the bag for this month, especially because I am planning a trip to Europe in the end of June, July. I'm going to Europe this summer, so I can't wait to transfer all my little makeup and toiletries and put it in this bag. I think it'll be so cute, especially if you are traveling. It totally just reminds me of my summers, getting me excited to travel, so very happy about this. It looks so cute. Automatically I get like this like scent coming from the bag, and it looks like it is, I got two Pure Heals by Nature, and it's a green tea pack and it is calming. So I'm gonna assume that this is a lotion. Let me look it up right now. Oh, it's actually a hydrating mask. And this retails regularly at full size for $32. So that's super cool. I love receiving masks. So, and they actually give you a decent amount of product. They gave you two. So I think that's really cool. And it smells really good too. And for sure gave my bag a scent. It smells like green tea. It smells like matcha. It smells like matcha green tea. Duh, green tea. The next thing I see in the bag is this Nelson Moisture Healing Mask. This just looks like it is a coconut hair mask. That's super cool, super cute. I always love getting hair products in, like little hair product samples and stuff like that, because I don't know why I just never buy hair products for myself. Whenever I have a little extra money, I want to spend it either on makeup or clothes or things like I actually need, like, gosh. Oh, I really get excited when I get things like this just so I can try it and see if they actually work. Is it all hype? Do I need it in my life? And this says it detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, restores silkiness and shine, and enhances natural body. That is a lot of claims. I'm excited to try this and see if it works, especially the controls frizziness, as we can tell today. My hair can get a little crazy and a little frizzy, especially if it's like raining or it's like really humid. It gets crazy, and I want to see if it also can control these little fluffs that I have. Next product in my bag is this nail polish, and it looks so cute. And this is by Koki Cosmetics, and it is in the shade Fresh Pick. It's really cute. It just looks like just their basic really cute baby pink color. I love these types of colors for my nails. I think they're so pretty. This is like my perfect nude nail polish. Like, I wish I could pull off white. I love white nails, but I don't know why on my nails it just looks like, I feel like I have white out on them, and I'm like, but they look so pretty on other people. So I always go back to a light baby pink. It's my go-to. It's my favorite type of a nail polish nude. So I am very happy about this, especially because it is my favorite color. So I also can't wait to try out the formula, because I've actually never tried, never tried anything from Koki Cosmetics before. I've heard a little bit about them from like Casey Holmes' channel, but I've never tried their makeup or anything like that, so I'm very excited to try this. Next thing in my bag is a mascara. It's by the brand Juicy. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is their Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. I don't know how to pronounce that. So this is exciting to me because I've actually never got a mascara in a IPSY before, so I think I'm gonna actually try it out now too. The bristles look like this. It's a pretty big brush, looks really fluffy and cool. And I already have some mascara on today, but why not? Let's put a little on and see what happens. All right, so we got you all up close and personal, and let's get it. Oh, wow. I'm back. So that actually came off my nose pretty easy. It took a little bit of makeup off, but surprise, surprise. So I can't tell exactly the full effect of this mascara, but so far just looking at it, layering it on top of the other one I had, it actually lengthened and volumized pretty good, and it really helped to separate my lower lashes, and it made them more full. And like that, it for sure made them darker, so can't wait to see how it sets. So far so good. It looks promising. I can't wait to try this on its own and see how it does and how it performs, and I guess I'll kind of see throughout the day today if it flakes off or anything like that, if it keeps that deep blackness. But so far, first impression, I really like it. My last product for my May IPSY bag is, oh yes, so that's where I draw the line, eyeliner. I've gotten 3 liquid liners so far, and I'm very happy about that. I love receiving liquid liners because I do wings pretty much every single day, and pen form is my favorite. I like gel sometimes, but liquid pens are my go-to, so anytime I can replenish it without having to go out and buy a new one, it's the best thing ever. So, but the day I get my holy grail NYX liquid black liner, that'll be a beautiful day. But okay, so it's a thicker felt tip pen. You can see it's a little thicker, not as thin. Super black line. It looks like you can get really thin in there. And I'm actually gonna fix up, why not? Oh, okay. That performed really well. It says it's also a waterproof lash enhancing formula, so that is really cool. Let's test it. Okay, well, in case you wanted to know, it's definitely not waterproof. I don't know, maybe I just didn't let it set long enough, maybe I didn't let it dry long enough. Let's see. You know what, I'll give it a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. It looks like it is completely dry. And we're gonna try this again. Filling. A lot of water. It's basically dunked. And so we can see. Guys, well, yeah, that's a little disappointing. Yeah, so it's a good liner, but it doesn't look like it is waterproof, so I very much disagree with that claim because it actually came off pretty easy with water. It like stained a little bit on my hand, but you know, nothing crazy. So I think it'll be good to wear day to day. As you can see, it looks super good, super black here. If you're planning on vacationing with it, jumping in a pool, you're gonna cry. I do not recommend wearing this liner because came off really easy with just some regular water, and just Dasani water. So it's not a waterproof claim, but I still think it's a decent liner. So Alright guys, and that is it for this video. I know it was a quick one. I always love doing IPSY bags because I love discovering new brands and trying out new products that I haven't tried, or receiving replenishments of my favorite, of hearing what you guys got every month. So let me know down in the comments below if you've received any of these products. What did you like? What you didn't like? Did you receive anything new that I didn't get? Let me know down below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!